So Ashoka Rock Edict 12. We'll see what is there in the Ashoka Rock Edict 12. It's very important to know. So basically, there are 4 points that you should know when it comes to Ashoka Rock Edict 12. First one is a Mula. Second one is Vachagutti. Third is Samavaya. And the fourth one is Bahusruta. Okay. So we will see what is this 4 terms. Basically, Ashoka in his Rock Edict 12, he insisted on the following measures and practices to maintain and promote harmony, peace, and prosperity in the society. The first one is to promote Mula. Mula is nothing but what constitute the essence of all religion as their common grounds and roots, which is nothing but your Mula. So Mula is nothing but common grounds and roots of all religions. This is nothing but your Mula. Second is to practice Vachagutti. Now, what is Vachagutti? Vachagutti is nothing but a practice of restraining from criticism of all religions and sects, that is practicing Vachagutti. Then Samavaya, which is nothing but coming together of exponents, or you can say proponents of different religions in various religious assemblies, basically at one common place, coming together of exponents or proponents of different religions, that is Samavaya. And to become Bahusruta. Now, how to become Bahusruta is nothing but when you learn the text of other religions and you become proficient in the scripture of different religions, that is what is your Bahusruta. So, Ashoka in his Rock Edict 12 basically insisted on 4 things. First, to promote Mula, which is a common ground and root and essence of all religion. Then to practice Vachagutti, which is nothing but a practice of restraining from criticism of other religions. Then coming together of different exponents of different religions, which is in Samavaya. And fourth, to become Bahusurata by learning the text and scriptures of different religions. Thank you.